how to switch languages on the keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now before you can switch a language, first you need to add them to the keyboard. So let's go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. In here we go to the top and tap on languages and types. Then we go down and tap on manage input languages. Now from here we then scroll down and choose the language that you want to install on your device. So go down the list here and tap on the install button. Once it is installed, it will show in the downloaded languages list at the top here. Simply tap on the toggle button to add it to the keyboard. Now we go back to the home screen. Here if I open up my Notes app, that will bring up the keyboard. Now you can see there is a globe or the language icon. If you touch and hold on that, it will pop up a list. From here you can select a language. Okay, so before we used to be able to swipe across to change the language. It could be one of the settings that we need to activate. Now if you touch and hold onto that language icon, you can switch to another language. And that's it. So that's how you can switch languages on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.